Hi there, and today we're going to learn how to test our scheduler in Acuity Scheduling. So here I am in my Acuity dashboard, and before testing your scheduler, you can go to scheduling page, and then this will be the preview of your scheduling page. As we can see, I have different appointments for appointment type. So for example, I have here the wait list for the business appointments, and I have here the different appointments that I offer to customers. And then for the style, if you want to change the look of your scheduling page, you can go here, but take note, you can only edit the font that is listed right here, and you can also edit the colors that's listed right here. So for example, option 1, if I change the color, so the whole background of our scheduling page changes. If I want a custom color, I can just click on custom, and I can just change the specific colors right here depending on what color I pick. For example, I pick red, and then it will automatically become red, but I will just choose the white background since it's more cleaner. So if for the scheduler background, this is the one that will be changed, and as we can see, it changes its background according to the specific color that we have chosen. And then for the header text, it will automatically change this color of our header depending on the color that we choose as well. So I'll just make it black. For the scheduler text, it will change the text of this scheduler of each of our appointment types. So I will just keep it up black again. And then for the button, if we want to change our button color, we can choose right here. So I'll make the scheduler background as white as well, and maybe I'll leave the buttons like this as color blue. So you can also choose some other options right here if you want to use them, but I'll just choose the one that we did earlier. And then going back, if you are done designing your scheduling page, you can click on save, and then we will go to link. If you want to edit some more, you can go to settings, for example, right here, and then for the advanced CSS if you want to have some more features for your scheduling page. But now we will proceed to testing our scheduling page. Just click on link, and then just click on this general scheduling page right here. Just click on it, and we will be redirected into our scheduling page. As we can see, we have our different appointment types and our waitlist appointment types right here. So for example, to test this out, I will first choose this consultation appointment, and then once I click on it, I will have the option to use the calendar, or to select the calendar that I want to have the consultation. For example, I want to have a consultation for my business, and I will choose this business option. And then from here, I will have the option to choose my specific times. For example, I'll just choose 9 a.m. on Friday, select and continue, and then we will just input some name and phone number here, and as well as the email. For example, I'll just put some sample names right here, and as well as a phone number. And then for the email, I just put in a sample email as well, and then confirm the appointment. And we can see that our appointment is confirmed. We will see this once we go back to our Acuity dashboard and go to our calendar. And as we can see, let's make this into a weekly view. And then we can see our created appointment is right here on Friday, which is the consultation with the business calendar, and all of the details are listed right here. And as we can see, it is working. If you want to test it out some more, for example, I will have the appointment for this hair color. Since the hair color is already connected with the haircut calendar, it automatically led us to this page where we can choose the specific time. So for example, right now I will choose 9 a.m. for Thursday. I will click select and continue, and then you can change the name if you want. For example, I will write like this. I will change the first name and keep the last name, and then I'll just keep the phone number, or maybe I'll just change it. And then for the email, I can also change it. Like that. And then I will click on confirm appointment, and it says our appointment is confirmed. And we can go back to Squarespace, for the Acuity website, and then just click on calendar. And then as we can see, for Thursday we have our appointment right here for Jane ASDF and all of the details that we have created earlier. So that is how we test our scheduler in our Acuity Scheduling website, and I hope you learn how to do it, and thank you for watching.